Hello, ma. Good morning. What's your name and where are you from? And tell us your experience concerning this amazing supplement.
My name is Mrs. Obi Izanaka. I'm coming from Eba, Ojo, Lagos. I'm here at Ikeja Libobit office. This supplement helped me a lot.
Wow.
There's an issue I'm having, issue of heart enlargement, heart failure. That water is too much in my heart. After all the drugs I'm taking every month, I spend a lot of money. Before I made encounter with the Libobit Miiracell, I just take only the Miiracell that first day, being Thursday evening. Before the next day being Monday, being Friday, that water in my hand begin to come out from my private flat.
Wow.
Within that a day or the next day, the water come dry. Since then, there's no water. Before I cannot trek, and I cannot climb upstairs. If I try it, I will breathe in fast. But now I can trek the distance. Sometimes I'll ask her, is it me or what? I just want to appreciate Libobit, the Miiracell in charge. It's not a drug, it's a supplement that cures many things.
Wow.
I'm a witness. Thank you, Libobit.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for being bold to come and share this testimony. And I know that you are now sharing the opportunity to other people because people are facing a lot of health challenges. Now that you have seen the results, that is the stem cell, you are not taking it all over. You are sharing the opportunity. You are sharing the miracle in the red box. What it's doing for for other people. So continue the good work. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.